Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. A signed-in Google account and AI Studio enabled. Once done, open or create the project you'll code in. Choose a coding-capable runtime and select a model suited for code suggestions. This affects latency and correctness. Then connect a Git repo or initialize a blank workspace so files persist. Make sure your environment has the required permissions and APIs enabled. This prevents later auth errors and lets you run, test, and commit changes. You now write and refine code. Create source files and use the inline assistant to generate functions or suggest fixes. This speeds iteration. Run scripts or notebook cells with the integrated terminal and inspect outputs. Use the debugger to step through failing logic. Once you have working units, add unit tests and run them so the model sees expected behavior. Commit changes to Git frequently and tag working states. This preserves progress and lets you revert if a generated change breaks functionality. You finish by refactoring with targeted prompts, running the full test suite, and making a final commit. Then export build artifacts or trigger your CI/CD pipeline so deployments are reproducible. Make sure environment variables and secrets are set. If something goes wrong, inspect runtime logs, console output, and permission errors first. These reveal auth, quota, or model mismatch issues. If the assistant drifts, tighten prompts, pin model versions, or rerun affected tests until results are deterministic and stable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.